Namaskar, welcome to Sai Culinary Solution channel, Kitchen to Plate Solution. Dear friends, today in this video we'll know all about coloring agent, color additive, and this video would be the fourth video under food additives. All those three videos are available on channel, or I'll give in description their link. You may go on description by tapping. You can watch easily for the best references of food additives. Dear friends, again I am requesting you, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and tap to the bell icon so that you would be stay tuned with our further updates. Before talking about the coloring additives, what those things I am going to tell you in this video, why we are using coloring agents first, second, types of coloring agent, and their brief with e-ranging. So this video is going to be very interesting and knowledgeable for you, beneficiary as well. Please continue with me till the end of this video. Friends, first of all, why we are using coloring agent? To make food more attractive, appealing, appetizing and informative. Sometimes we use coloring agent for offsetting color loss over time due to exposure to light, air, temperature extremes, moisture and storage conditions. Sometimes we use coloring agent to correcting natural variation in color. Sometimes we use coloring agent to enhance color that occur naturally. Also we use color to providing color to colorless and fun foods. Food colors are allowing products to be identified on site, like candy flavors or medicine doses. These are the reasons to use coloring agent. Friends, now what the actually color additives is? Actually from ancient era, since last so many years you can say, naturally occurring color additives from vegetables and mineral sources were used to color foods, drugs and cosmetics like paprika, turmeric, saffron, iron and lead oxides and copper sulfate. These are the some examples. Friends, what is actually color additive is? So color additive is any dye, pigments or substance that imparts color when it is added to food or drink. They can be as liquid, powders, gels or pastes. Food coloring is used in both commercial food production and domestic cooking also. Food colorants are also used in a variety of non-food applications, including cosmetic, pharmaceuticals, home craft projects and medical devices also. Friends, two types of coloring agents are. First one is a natural one, second one is artificial, synthetic, man-made, laboratory made, you may say. So firstly, we will know about natural colorants, and these color additives are permitted by FSSAI. First one is carotenoids E160, E161, E164. Second one is chlorophyllene E140, E141. Third one is anthocyanins E163. And fourth one is betaine E162. Comprise four main categories of plant pigments: grown to color food products. Other colorants are specialized derivatives of these core groups, like Amato E160B, caramel coloring E150A to D, made from caramelized sugar. Carmine E120, elderberry juice E163. These are the derivatives actually from the core colorants. In natural form, we are using these to our food products or beverages. Elderberry juice E163, lycopene E160D, paprika E160C, turmeric also known as curcumin E100. Dear friends, in E number system, color agents or color additives are having their range from E100 to E199. Among that, artificial color, the second types of coloring agent, having the range E102 to E143. These are the artificial colors. Friends, in artificial color, FSSAI is permitting 4 core colors, that is red, yellow, blue, green. In red, there is PONQ4R, E number 124, कार्मोजाइन 122 ई नंबर है, एरिथ्रोसिन 127 ई नंबर है, एंड इन येलो दिस थ्री आर इन रेड कोर. इन येलो टाट्राजाइन E102 and second one is sunset yellow FCF E110. Now in blue there is 2 permitted color, E number 132, 133. For 132 common name indigo carmine. 133 is brilliant blue FCF. In green only one color is there, fast green FCF, common name, and E number 143. So friend, these are the artificial color which is allowed by FSSAI and we can easily use in our product. But the matter is that what the recommended quantity for these artificial colors. So FSSAI is recommending maximum level 100 milligram per kg. Friends, please note down this, 100 milligram per kg maximum. Friends, some artificial colors are banned actually because potential problems with food dyes, specifically carcinogenicity, genotoxicity, neurotoxicity. As you know sir, carcinogenicity leading to cancer development, genotoxicity leading to mutations or damaging chromosomes, neurotoxicity leading to the damage of nerve tissues, and that's why these colors that I'm going to tell you are banned under FSSAI, under US FDA also. First one is a green one, red one. Why? Because these colors are promoting liver cancer. Red 4 also banned, E number 125. Second category, orange 1, orange 2, violet 1, red 2, E number 123, red 32 also banned because these colors are under carcinogenic. That's why these colors are not permitted by FSSAI or US FDA. Sudan one also not permitted because it's produced toxic Yellow 1 and 2 also not recommended because it's lead to intestinal disease. Yellow 3 and 4 are also banned because these color are promoting heart damages. So friends, hopefully you understand about these all colors and color additives which is to use and what quantity is recommended by FSSAI. This is all about coloring agent color additives. Hopefully this video would be beneficiary for you. Friends, if it would be beneficiary for you, please like this video and share to those concerned who are of this industry. Have a good day. Bye bye.